It is too wide. No, no, no! It's not my color. This is not supposed to be like that. Hello everyone, my name is EYESHADOWS and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup, so I'm going to do a brand new challenge. I'm going to do a full face using only eyeshadows. So no concealer, no foundation, no liquid lipsticks, no liquid blush, no none. Only eyeshadows. So if you want to know how to do full face using only eyeshadows, then keep on watching. So before we start, I put my headband on and now I'm going to prime. So today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Super Grip Primer. Oh my goodness. This primer is sticky, so I hope that the eyeshadow will apply flawlessly. And now I have to find my perfect foundation shade. I have the Inglot eyeshadow palette and I have 3 shades here. And I wanted to try this one. If I apply it with Beauty Blender? With Beauty Blender! Okay! I'm taking the eyeshadow on the dry Beauty Blender and apply it on my face. 1, 2, 3, let's go. It is too wide. No, no, no! It's not my color. Okay, this is a challenge, so I have to try this out. On my nose. How I can cover my blemishes now? I don't know. Oh my god. It looks very cakey. What the heck is going on here? My name is EYESHADOWS and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we are doing crazy makeup stuff. So if you want more of that crazy stuff, then like and subscribe. What the heck? I will use this one. I will cheat a little bit. I have foundation and a powder to fix this mess. I'm cheating, but it will fix this. This is foundation in a powder, but this is powder, and this is like eyeshadow. You can use it like eyeshadow, so I'm not cheating. I'm just using more
options.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. This is not supposed to be like that. Oh. So for contour, I'm using this eyeshadow right here. This is Inglot. Hey! Oh my god, it's too much of powder here. Maybe I will take this one, taupe de taupe. A little bit of nose contour. Oh my god, so time for blush, and for blush I'm using this palette right here. This is Color Fusion on the Rainbow from the Beauty Glaze Cosmetics, and I'm using this bright color right here for blush. Okay, I'm trying my best. Okay, I will take a little bit of this shadow right here and I will apply it on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using this palette right here. This is Romantic Bird Professional Makeup Palette. I'm using this shade right here called Marshmallow. Oh my god. Maybe I will take white shimmery shade and I will apply one more layer of this eyeshadow to hopefully make my highlighter more bright. Oh my god. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. I have to blend it. I'm not using the bronzer. Time for the eyebrows, and I know how to do the eyebrows with the eyeshadow, so I don't have problem with that. So I will use this shade right here from the Inglot palette, and I will do my eyebrows real quick. And now it's time to move on to the eyes, and it's a little bit scary. I don't know what to expect. I'm going to do something more like neutral. No primer. I'm going to mess it up. Taking this color right here and I'm applying it on the lid, maybe. Yeah, probably on the lid. Okay, it's not bad. Not that bad. So I will build up a little bit the shape of the eye on the lower eyelid. I'm tapping the eyeshadow on the lid. I will blend the eyeshadow using small blending brush. I will buff out the edges. I will apply shimmery eyeshadow on the lid with my fingertip to probably save the look. This is the pigment, baby, without any primer. On the inner corner, I will apply this shadow right here called Marshmallow that I applied as my highlighter. And probably lashes will fix this look. I'm going to apply purplish shade on the lower eyelid. I'm applying the same marshmallow color that I applied on the inner corner under my brow, on my brow bone. Okay, that's it. I will apply quickly my lashes off camera and I will be right back. Alright, the lashes are on. It's time for the lips. I will take a lip brush and I will line my lips with this shade right here. And now I'm going to apply this shade all over my lips. I will apply a little bit of the shimmer shade. I will set my face once again. Alright guys, I fixed my makeup a little bit. I added plenty amount of setting spray to set it in place. And now my skin looks good. Good enough. I nailed it. Yeah. If you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, that all is Ira Cloud. And see you in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, I'm not wearing Hello everyone, my name is Ira Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel.